Computational neuroscience is a multidisciplinary field that focuses on understanding the principles and mechanisms underlying brain function by using computational models and techniques. It involves the development and application of mathematical models, simulations, and computer-based methods to study the structure and function of the nervous system. Computational neuroscience aims to bridge the gap between neuroscience and computer science, providing insights into how the brain processes information and generates complex behaviors. Key aspects of computational neuroscience include modeling neuronal activity. Computational neuroscience involves creating mathematical models that simulate the activity of neurons and neural networks. These models can represent the dynamics of individual neurons, synapses, and the interactions between different brain regions. Information processing. Researchers in computational neuroscience seek to understand how the brain processes information. This includes investigating the mechanisms of sensory perception, motor control, learning, memory, and decision-making. The field explores the organization and function of neural networks within the brain. Neural network models are used to simulate how groups of interconnected neurons work together to perform specific functions or computations. Biophysical models. Computational neuroscientists develop biophysical models that take into account the detailed biophysical properties of neurons, including ion channels, membrane potentials, and synaptic transmission. These models aim to capture the physiological processes at the cellular level. Connectionist models. Connectionist or artificial neural network models are used to simulate learning and information processing in the brain. These models are inspired by the organization of biological neural networks and are applied to various cognitive tasks. Mapping brain connectivity. Computational methods are employed to analyze and model the connectivity patterns of the brain. Techniques like graph theory are used to understand the structural and functional connectivity of different brain regions. Neuroinformatics. Computational neuroscience involves the development of databases and tools for managing and analyzing large-scale neuroscientific data. Neuroinformatics aims to facilitate the sharing and integration of data across different research groups. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Computational neuroscience contributes to the development of brain-computer interfaces, allowing direct communication between the brain and external devices. BCIs have applications in assistive technology, communication, and control of external devices. Learning and plasticity. Understanding the mechanisms of learning and synaptic plasticity is a central focus of computational neuroscience. Models are developed to simulate how neural circuits adapt and change in response to experience. Clinical applications. Computational neuroscience has applications in understanding and treating neurological and psychiatric disorders. Models are used to simulate the effects of different interventions, predict treatment outcomes, and guide therapeutic approaches. By combining experimental data with computational models, researchers in computational neuroscience aim to uncover the principles governing brain function and to test hypotheses about neural mechanisms. This interdisciplinary approach enhances our understanding of the brain and contributes to the development of advanced technologies and treatments for neurological conditions.